Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, video and audio. I'm trying to set up my little production studio space. I already have my computer, a MacBook Air M3, and I have my audio mixer, Focusrite. That works perfectly fine. I have my microphone, an AKG, etc., 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 etc. I have my monitor, secondary monitor by the folks at Dell. I don't have any speakers, and of course I'm no longer working for that radio station, no longer working for that university, no longer working for that nonprofit, and no longer working for that television station where they're paying for all this wonderful stuff. I'm no longer using Neumann mics that cost $4,000. Just saying. So I spent, let me see my little sheet here. I'm going to read this sheet. Excuse me while I read the sheet. I bought for $65 a Bluetooth computer speaker with wireless touch control pod for laptops, etc., etc. It's by the folks at KEiD. Those are capital letters, and then they have lowercase IID. And again, it only cost me $65. It was well rated. It's a good quality product. I'm not saying it's state of the art, $5,000, $10,000, near field speakers. And I've seen those. I've gone to those studio spaces. This is just, again, $65 minus a penny. So it's $64.99. And I ordered it yesterday, got it today. Wow. Of course, I'll be leaving links in the description, and I'll be doing an unboxing right now. And then I'm going to connect my laptop to it and see how it sounds. Of course, it's very difficult for people. I can only give my subjective analysis of the sound. So hope you enjoy this video. Again, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing a pair of $65 speakers I ordered from Amazon. Again, these are not $1,000 speakers. These are not, BW speakers. These are not top-of-the-line audiophile speakers. These are just for the studio space. They just have to be strong enough and give me about 85-90% of what I'm actually producing, the audio spectrum. Total harmonic distortion, yes. Over there, and just in my small studio space. So they're pretty nice. So let's open it up right now. So this is the box it came in. It's actually quite heavy. So I'm actually impressed by the weight. A lot of times things don't have very big magnets and they don't weigh very much. This one actually weighs quite a bit. This is, a good hefty box here. So I'm going to open it up. So I have it opened up like that, and then there's the box. Again, it says KE, small I, another small I, D, 2.0 channel stereo speaker system. They have an option for an extra bit of cash where you can get a subwoofer, but I do not need a subwoofer at this time. I have plenty of audiophile equipment in this living room, in that other space. I have a lot of high-end audio equipment. Not the best stuff. I only have a certain amount of budget. But I do have, stereo speakers galore, surround sound systems. The list goes on. So this is a KEiD-C02. Knows how you prefer to see, use, hear speakers. Wow, that's brilliant. Don't you feel? Let me say that again. Knows how you prefer to see, use, hear speakers. Amazing. It's a significant upgrade over most conventional stereo speakers with Bluetooth and auxiliary. For $65, I would think so. And proprietary design for wide stereo output to enjoy movies and music and gaming alike. I'm not a gamer. Easy setup and convenient operation to start enjoying right out of the box. Wow. So there it is. What do you think? Let me open it up and show you what's inside. First up, we have this KEiiD stereo speaker KEiD C02. Has specifications, connection, touchpad operations, Bluetooth mode, auxiliary, troubleshooting, after sales service. Yes. And of course, where is this made? This is made in China, just like most stuff nowadays. Very nice little booklet, good size. So there it is. In the middle of the box is another box. Let's see what's inside this one. Hope you're enjoying this unboxing. I'm enjoying it. You know, I enjoy buying stuff. Every time you buy something and you open it up and again, I bought this with my own cash. I'm not getting it from the manufacturer. This is, you know, I'm not being paid by this manufacturer to do this review. I'm not getting any cash, and I'm not trying to suck up and be a sycophant to all these companies, okay? So here's the plug. It's a very nice plug. Has a standard barrel connector. Here's from speaker to speaker connection. One of the reasons I bought this is that some of these more affordable options had just a bare wire coming out of one speaker and you have to connect it to the other one. This one actually had a barrel connector from one speaker to another, which I appreciated. You know, it's not as cheap. I always connotate cheap speakers with a little wire dangling out of the one speaker and you connect it to another speaker. And those always, I don't like. I like to have some sort of serious connection. This is good connection. And this is also a good connection for audio. Here, look at this. Wow, you got some two mini plugs. Then you have this little package. It's about a 6-inch cord, has a USB-C to USB-A, and it connects, I'm pretty sure, this little pad here. Here's a little pad, and it has off, M, pause, and go, and then it has minus and plus. It has a USB-C connection right here, and a little nice little rubber skid plate here. Doesn't weigh much. It's not. And it says free extended 2-year protection plan right there when you register this product with the Chinese government. I mean, with the company. I apologize. So there's that. And then inside, let me just show you what it looks like inside. Here's the box. Boys and girls. Hey, people on my left. People on my right, people down the back row. Here, in the back row, you can see this now, okay? There it is. So you got one speaker. Let me open this one up. Let me see which one it is. Has little rubber feet right here. And it has the logo. Let me just do my Vanna White. There it is, okay? And it has this 100% imported wood. No, it's vinyl. So there's one speaker. In the back, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws and that barrel connection to connect this speaker. And this is the left speaker. It says on the back, KEiiD-C02, 12 volt, 2 amp. And it says, again, for all you folks out there, don't be shocked. This is made in China. Okay. Let me get the other one out. This one's a bit more complex. It has a power button. Has another button that has a little arrow, plus, minus, and this is the right speaker. Auxiliary. This is the part that connects to your. You have the option of connecting it directly to your component that you're trying to get the audio out of, like, for example, your computer. This can connect directly to your speaker jack or your audio out jack, okay? Or you can use it, as in my case probably, the Bluetooth speaker, but maybe I might try to see if the audio is still a bit different with the using the actual auxiliary jack. And then you have the barrel connector to the, it says to the left monitor. Wow. Make sure you connect to the left monitor. And then the power right there. So power, connect to left speaker, auxiliary, connect to your actual computer if you want, plus or minus, I guess that's a volume. And then you have a box with an arrow pointing one way. and then this on-off switch. So these are the two speakers. So I like to get different lighting situations so you can see what it looks like. I'll show you a close-up right now. Let me get my laptop and connect it to it and see how it sounds, okay? Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video and Audio. Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video and Audio. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a modest little set of speakers. I'm not a high roller. I'm not Elon Musk. I'm not even, Jeff Bezos. I'm not definitely a Zuckerberg. I don't have that cash where I can blow and buy stuff and buy people and buy politicians. I barely can afford these two little speakers, okay? So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. And if you have a chance, check out my photographic website where I display most of my photographs. Not all my photographs, just a small sampling of my photographs. And you can go to jmmgarza.com. Thank you very much. Of course, I'm accepting folks who want to become Patreon supporters. You can go to my Patreon website, patreon.com/JMM Garza. And of course, around the periphery somewhere, probably down there. Maybe it's over there. You can press a button and send me some cash so I can buy speakers. Thank you very much. And of course, you can become members of this channel. All that stuff's in the description, and I'll leave links to this product in the description so you can make me the big bucks. My goal by the end of the year is to have, let me see, I currently have, I think, 3,000 subscribers on this channel. To get to 4,000. That's my goal. Hopefully you enjoy this video. It provided you with some information about some decent, affordable Bluetooth or wired speakers that you can enjoy and use in your system. These are very affordable, decent quality, I think. It's all subjective. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Adios from Fort Worth, Texas. Bye-bye.